As the quarantine started, many Indian users started using more internet than the normal. So Jio has announced new work from home plans which consist of exciting data plans. But now Jio had came up with a new pack that used 10 GB of data per 2 GB per day for 5 days, which you can get total pack of 10 GB. So let's see how to activate in this video. Come on. Data is completely free. So for one day Jio gives 2 GB. So totally for 5 days at 10 GB you will be credited with this plan. So let's see how to do. Plan is available to some users only. Myself and my brother got this plan, but my friends didn't get this plan. So if you got this plan activated, comments in the comment box so others can view it. Recently Jio has introduced work from home plans. Here from 151 to 251 all range of data packs are available. This is mainly for work from home. So if you are a high data user, you can use these plans. So these plans will not have any, so there is no any speed cap like 2 GB data per day or 1.5 GB data per day. Here Jio will give 50 GB for 30 days. You can use anywhere. So there is no speed cap. So that's only a specialty of this pack. So this is mainly for students or data vouchers. They have increased the data and they kept the price same. So additionally they have included the minutes, so Jio to non-Jio minutes. So we can see how it is activated or not. So go to dialer, so type 1299 and to this number. So I have received the message. So here I have recharged a 444 plan, so 2 GB out of 2 GB. So apart from that I have recharged many data vouchers plan. So here you can see the Jio data pack plan, so 700 MB out of 2 GB per day. Today only I got this. So plan expires on 7th June, so it's 5 days, totally 10 GB I got. So check your balance and check your plan and get benefit. That's it. So if you like this video, subscribe and share and click on this bell icon. So if you need more videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching. So we will see in the next video.